Nature News. Today's plant is the moss plant.
Yes, so let's get to business.
Wileen, why are moss plants so important?
Good question. I brought one. So back to answering your question. They retain water and humidity in their habitats. Moss also gives us soil fertilizer and helps control flooding.
Wow, that's interesting.
I know, right?
Was it dangerous to humans?
No, silly. They help us more than trying to hurt us.
Thank goodness. Can you eat moss?
It is an edible lichen.
What's an edible lichen?
It means it's edible.
That sounds like a good meal.
Well, sorta.
What do you mean?
Well, not all, but some are poisonous.
Wow, then I should be really careful. Well, everyone, that's all we have time for. See you later.
Bye!
Where's my coffee?
I don't know. My name is Isabel. I don't know my name.